Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss how to generate high quality leads from Facebook group using simple, effective and ethical strategies. I'll walk you through how to choose the right groups, position yourself as a trusted contributor and turn meaningful interaction into potential clients. If you want to grow your network, build authority and attract genuine leads without spamming tactics, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. So right now I have already opened my Facebook account, and this is one of the Facebook groups that I have already joined, and here you can get a lot of potential clients for your business within your niche. So as you can see that people make posts on a daily basis in these kinds of groups, and they offer their services, and they also discuss about their issues. So you just have to make posts about your services, and you just need to answer the queries of the people in this post. So that's how you keep in connect. You can get connected with these potential clients, and potentially they will then join you for a order. They will join your services, and eventually they will pay you for your services. So you just can see that people have made a lot of posts here, and this post has made had got 13 comments, and you can get your client from these comments as well. Okay, so you just need to keep on making business posts in these groups. You have to make educational posts in these groups. You have to educate the people first, and then you will potentially be able to get your clients through these. So basically this is one of the this is exactly just one example. There are lots of group available on the Facebook group. You can join the communities as well, and you can join their group chats, and you just need to keep answering the questions of the people, and eventually they will be hiring you for your services. Okay, so that was all about Facebook group leads, how you can generate it. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.